Welcome everyone. Today we're going to learn how to integrate Go for Clients with Typeforms, specifically to trigger an internal notification via email. That's to our marketing team, to our sales team, to whomever is in charge of reaching out to those emails as soon as possible. And we're also going to trigger an auto response to the lead in the form of an SMS, of a text message. So let's jump right into that. We log into our account in Go for Clients. Once we're in our dashboard, we're going to look for that form automation. Here it is. We have Facebook lead ads, other drips, but form automation is what we're looking for. I have several templates to choose, but as I mentioned, today we're going to trigger that internal notification via email and that auto response in the form of an SMS. So I click on Use Template. And now we're just going to configure the very quick settings that it requires. It is going to be triggered from a webhook. That's fine. The emails are going to be sent from my work email. You can use whatever email you have registered. And the SMS, please choose one of the numbers that Go for Clients has provided you. So once that is done, I just click on Build Drip. This is what I like about Go for Clients. I am ready to just start configuring. I don't have to worry about building the drip. You know, these templates are very powerful. I am not going to send 2 SMS, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I can delete this one. Perfect. So I'm just going to leave this template, a very simple one. Let's start with the webhook. It says start here. That's where I'm going to start. The first thing Go for Clients does, it provides me the URL link for the webhook. And so I am just going to copy it. And this is what I need to do. I'm going to go to Typeform, where my forms are, that in the create areas where you edit your forms. Once you're there, you're going to see this other tab called Connect. So go ahead and click on that. And then you see 2 more other tabs. Integrations that are already coming with Typeform, but this is what's so easy about Go for Clients. You could do it through the webhook. We're going to say add a webhook if you have not done so before, or if you already have, it just shows you it's the same thing. You just edit it. All I need to do is get on the field, remove or delete that old URL, and make sure that this is where you're going to paste a new URL to link your form with Go for Clients. SSL should be on, and all you need to do is save the changes. Once you save the changes, then what we're going to do is go here to share. And we're going to make sure that we copy that link. I'm going to put it on a new tab, paste and go. And there it is. That form is ready to be tested. Let's go back to Go for where we were doing the integration. So it says, all right, next step. The next step is that Go for Clients is waiting for the data. It needs to see if the data is coming through that URL that we just pasted. We need to test it out. So here it is. I go to my form. I fill it out. Here's that information. All right, let's leave it like that and submit it. Once I submit it, when I come back to Go for, I see that it immediately picks up on that data. All that data is coming in. So this means that the integration was successful. You see that I have a green check mark also indicating that everything went well. Next step is mapping the fields. It means associating the fields from the form, this form, to Go for Clients. We have all these fields, names, phone numbers, emails, etc. Go for Clients needs those to send that SMS. We need a mobile number to send that notification with information to your sales team. We need that information. So here's a good example. It says, well, you have a name associated to something. When I click on name, I have to pick a field where that name is coming from. I could do it by trial and error. Some forms do say explicitly the name. Typeform doesn't. So I need to choose it. One easy trick to do it is just click on See Data and find the field that you're looking for. So I'm looking for the name field. Here it is, 1. It comes from an object1.text. So that makes it easy. I'm going to look for that object1.text. Here it is, and you can see that immediately picks up on the name. The email, it is correctly mapped. The mobile number is also correctly mapped. And then if I had a message, I think I had a company name. So let's choose that. That is coming from, I know that by heart already, but I could look it on See Data, but it's coming from this field. So there it is. Go for Clients is what I feel. Mapping done. Next It says go to actions. Actions is just the time that it's going to take for, once the form is filled out, for Go for Clients to respond with that internal notification to the team and also with the SMS to the lead. I like to leave it with in as soon as, just because that's what Go for is all about: immediacy, contacting those leads to turn them into new sales. There's a stat that says that if it takes you a day to reach out to a lead, well, that reduces the probability by 60 times of that lead becoming a customer. And even if it just takes you an hour, it still reduces that probability by 7 times. So you really want to do it as quickly as possible. But regardless, if you don't do it immediately, you could program it to do it in seconds, minutes, hours, or days, whatever you need. All right, guys, so right now, all I need to configure is the notification. Where is it going to be sent to? Let's say that my marketing team is at this email. So I'm going to make sure that I change it. There it is. I'm going to send that email to that because that's where my sales team is always sitting down ready to jump on those leads as soon as they're notified. I could change the design of that. I can just click and choose from a variety of templates for the emails that Gopher provides. Here they are. Or if I already designed one myself, I can use it. I'm happy with my selection, so I'm just going to go back. Lastly, the SMS. Here it is. I'm going to configure it. I can type the message here. I can say, for example, let's say that I am going to just say, click here for more info. I'm just going to say hi, and let's configure that. Let's personalize it. Let's use that name field. And we can have a URL. Let me show you how we can use that. Perfect. So I can say just additional content. I want to add a URL, and it says, where do you want to redirect that URL? Here it's simulating that. And I say, I'm going to use Go for Clients if I needed to send that. So I'm going to leave it like that. And perfect. I'm ready. It's ready to send. The SMS is ready. My webhook has been configured and the notification as well. So right now, all I'm going to do is save this strip. We're going to call it the webhook Typeform SMS test. I'm just going to save, and you can see how quickly it is ready to be used. This is so simple, guys. Nothing to really worry about because of how easy Go for Clients makes it. Let's go ahead and test it. That's the only thing we have left to do. So here's that form. With that form done, I am going to just fill it out with the information that I am going to play the role as a lead. So I'm going to say my name is, I'm just going to change it here. I'm just going to say that I'm John. I'm just going to say John Smith, same here. And let's provide it. Well, I need to provide a real phone number so that it sends me that SMS. I'm going to say that my email, I'm going to change it. It's this one. So I can show you, I'll use the same that I use for the notification so I can show you everything in one place. And I'm going to say that my company is Gopher, just to make sure that we change stuff here. Perfect. Once that form is filled out, I just click on submit. And this is where that drip is going to take over, and it is going to do two things. It's going to send me that internal email notification, and it's also going to send me that SMS that I'm waiting for. All right, so I just want to go ahead and share my mobile phone screen with you. And I am first going to go to those emails. And when I see that, there you see, I programmed that the internal notification. I am the marketing team. And so I wanted to make sure that they received that notification. Here it is. Hey, we have a new lead. And it's providing me with all the information. The name is John. That's the email. That's the number of the guy. His company is called Gopher. Go out and reach out to him. Get in touch. He's interested in whatever we're selling. So this is super powerful. Next, we're going to go to that SMS, and we're going to see how that SMS came and with the information, the auto response for the lead. Okay, guys, and there it is. So when I go, I see that I received an email, an SMS. It says, hey, John, click here for more info. When I click on that short link, it immediately redirects me to that Go for Clients page that I set up at the beginning. But see how cool it is that Go for Clients reaches out immediately. So very powerful, very easy to use. I wanted to just make sure that you had a very clear way and easy way to do your integrations. Typeforms with Go for Clients. I'll see you next time.